Today I'm going to show you how to make hand sanitizer. You'll need gloves, a funnel, a whisk, a spoon, a 1/4 cup measuring cup, aloe vera gel, and another measuring cup, rubbing alcohol, some essential oil, any scent so it smells good, and a container to put it in. First, you need 3/4 of a cup of rubbing alcohol. Add a 1/4 cup of aloe vera, mix it up with a spoon and the whisk. Eight drops of essential oil, but you can do more or less. Mix it up. Put the funnel in the container and pour it in. Be careful not to spill it. Let's try it out. Works good! And smells good too. Thanks for watching.